The Pokémon 30th anniversary is still dropping, and there are still massive products yet to come. And one of the biggest mistakes botters make on a drop day is being away from the computer when the queue goes live. What if I told you that you never have to miss a drop again, no matter where you are, no matter what you are doing, because your entire bot setup is running from your phone in your pocket. Before we get into the setup, let me explain why this is actually important right now. Pokémon Center drops with barely any warning. The queue goes live and you have minutes before the most prepared botters have already locked in their positions, and if you're at work, out of the house, you are already behind. Running your bot from your phones means a few things. You can start your bot anywhere from the moment a drop goes live. And the 30th anniversary products that are still to come, you will be ready for all of them no matter where. This is one of the simplest upgrades you can make in your botting setup, and most people are not doing it, so let's fix that. Just before we get into actually doing this, I want to mention that this works for pretty much every website you are botting. These websites unfortunately can go live at any time, so having the ability to bot from your phone can save you in a situation where you are miles away from your computer and there is no chance that you would get there back for the drop. So ultimately, there are two ways to run your bot from your phone, and which one is right for you depends on your setup. Path number one is your home PC. You already have a PC or laptop running your bot at home. The benefits of the home PC method is that it's free to set up. There is practically no extra monthly cost, but of course, your PC needs to stay powered on and connected all of the time, just in case a drop happens. Path number two is a virtual private server, essentially a computer in the cloud that runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It comes with a small monthly cost, and it is very reliable for botting 24/7. The setup process is semi-identical, so pick the path that fits your situation and follow along. One thing I would say before we move on and I show you exactly how to do it, consider this. If you're totally brand new to botting, you're just getting started, I always recommend the home PC route. It is free, but if you're more seasoned botter, you're looking at scaling things up and you actually want the best kind of option, the virtual server is best. So number one, the home PC route. Step one is go on Google Chrome. You need to go to remotedesktop.google.com. You want to click remote access. From there, you need to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you will need one for this, and make sure you use the same Google account on both your PC and your phone. This is important for the step later. But anyway, moving on from there, it's now time to set up the remote access. Click the download button under set up remote access. This will install the Chrome remote desktop extension on your Chrome browser. Once installed, click the blue button that says turn on. Name your device, give your PC and server a name you'll recognize. Use a 6-digit PIN. This is your security code. It's basically like your password to allow you to connect to your computer from your phone, which you will note later. From there, the PC side is done. It's a one-time setup, and once you've done it, you never need to do it again. Moving on from there, and just before we get to the phone part, you need to make sure your PC never goes to sleep. If you don't make it so your PC never turns off, then there is a chance that you won't be able to connect to your bot during a drop. Moving on from there, we need to download the Chrome Remote Desktop app on our phone. It's available on the App Store, it's available on the Google Play Store. Open the app, sign in with the exact same Google account that you used on your PC, like I mentioned before. This is why using the same account matters. It links your devices automatically. So find your device, tap it, connect, enter your PIN, and boom, bada bing, you are in. Your desktop PC will now appear on your phone screen. Of course, you should obviously have the bot installed, set up, all stuff like that before all of this. And honestly, if a drop was happening right now, we would be all good to actually just use our computer from our phones. That's the Chrome Remote Desktop route. Let's talk about virtual private servers now. It's very simple to do this. A website that I like to use to get my virtual private servers is a website called Hyonix. Go on Hyonix, go on there, have a look through the different options. You'll see different pricing tiers. Realistically, for a proper botting setup, you need 4 vCPUs and about 8 gigs of RAM on your your server, that should be good to go for you. If you've got all of that, that's more than enough to run the bot. These can, like I said before, these can cost anywhere from £20–25 a month. Once you go through and you go and buy your server, you will eventually end up with a few credentials, like your host name, basically the server's IP address, your username and your password. And from here, what we want to go and do is we want to go and search for the Windows app. Like I said before, this used to be called Microsoft Remote Desktop. It's been renamed now to Windows app. Go and download Windows app. Once you've downloaded it, you can go and add a new PC or workspace. Click on add a new PC. It will ask you for the IP address. That's the IP address you get from the place you bought the server from. Create a user, put in your username, put in your password. Make sure to save this so you don't have to enter it every time. And then you can connect to it just like this from your phone. But I also recommend to get it on your computer as well, so you can do the initial bot setup on your server. Because ultimately, at the end of the day, you're going to buy a server. It's like a completely fresh computer. It's not just going to magically get your bot on there, and it is ultimately that simple. The 30th anniversary still has massive drops to come. There's still some stuff left to drop in Pokémon Center, but all of the major retailers like Walmart, Target, Argos, Asda, whatever it may be, are yet to happen. And this one honestly is a change that I would definitely make to my setup before the 30th anniversary happens. If you want more information on how to get set up, how to use bots, have a click around my channel. You'll find videos on tons of different parts of botting, and also if you are looking for like one-on-one advice on how to actually get into botting, step by step, get the right bot, get the right proxies, get all of that stuff, then check out the Botting Mentorship. Click the link in the description of this video. You can apply there. You can speak to the team and see what it's all about and see how we can help you get Pokemon for MSRP and the rest of 2026. That is it for this video, people. I'll see everybody in the next one.